everyone, I'm Olivia.
And I'm Claire.
And we're going to be doing a paper gun review. So, I made this paper gun from a video on YouTube by CrazyPT's, and he is really good at making these things. He's really cool at these paper crafts with guns and everything. So, this is totally made out of paper. What you need to use to make it is rubber bands, paper, and if you want to color it any colors that you want, you need hot glue, and did I say tape? Yeah. And all of that stuff.
And also, never point the gun at your face because bullets can be pretty sharp sometimes, and if you pull the trigger when the bullet's in it and you don't know, it'll hit your eye.
It's really hard. This is hard, and that's how the bullet is made. Like at the tip, it's pretty hard. So this is still a gun, but it's not. It's pretty darn real. I mean, it could still hurt someone. So don't ever aim this at anyone or yourself
because it will surely hurt you.
Yes.
We're gonna be trying this out today,
and CrazyPT's is really awesome at making these things. He makes not just these, but he makes simpler ones and more complex ones. So, I'm gonna also be showing you how to make this paper bullet because in the video he doesn't show you, but it's really easy, and let's get started with that. So,
also, we have a cup to knock it down, but it's probably not going to do it. So.
Yeah, so let's get started with that. Okay, so we have a piece of paper. It's just regular printing paper. And then we have the bullet.
It's pretty small for that big of paper.
Yeah, so this is my finger, and it's this long. It's almost this part. Okay, so now with our printing paper, we're going to roll it kind of diagonal. So make sure that there's like a tip. So if I'm going to be making a slim bullet, so it's going to be slim. But if you're making a thick one, you can like do it like this and make it more chubby. But I'm going to be making a slim one. So I'm just going to start rolling it and see how. Oops, I messed up. Well, let me just start. So make sure that you have a tip there, because if you don't have a tip, then it's going to have like a wide opening. And I don't know if you guys want that or not, but yeah. Okay, so now we have a little bit left, so I'm going to use tape, and I'm just going to tape it. So, my tape like got stuck in. Okay, so I'm just going to carefully roll it until it reaches the tape, and then you know that it's safe to not have to hold it anymore. So. Okay, so now that I have it taped, and if you're going to be cutting it up here, that's why I have another piece of tape ready with me. So you're going to start right here, and so that it doesn't like get out of place and like unravel. Kind of like, I don't know why I'm saying unravel like yarn, but you know. So I don't need it all the way up there, so I'm going to cut the tape. And
that sucked.
Then I'm going to wrap it where I'm going to be close to stopping it. So there we go. Okay, so I'm going to make sure that I don't cut it too low because it might be too small, so I'm going to cut it. Thank you. So this is, I'm going to need the gun.
Where is that?
Okay.
There's a bullet on it.
Okay. So I'm gonna have to make sure that this bullet can fit into this compartment. It's like full. Okay, so I'm gonna cut it a little more. Okay, so now it's a little small. it's still too big. So
it sort of needs to be something like this.
Yeah. So now it's really small. It's smaller. It's actually smaller than the other one. It's just the way that you fold it. Yeah. So let's see. Okay, so this fits in. So I can make sure that can go in and then. Okay, so now we're going to be testing out the gun. Okay, so now we're going to be actually doing the actual reviews of this paper gun. So now we are going to actually see if it can shoot. The bullets, I'm sure it will because I saw in the video and it might have been the way that I made it, but it is really awesome, so let's get started.
Okay, so these are the two bullets, and Olivia will be shooting the longer bullet, and I will be shooting the skinny, smaller bullet. And as you can see, this one has a more point of a tip, and then this one is sort of just.
So I will actually be using the long one, and Claire will be just showing how it goes. So
okay, so I'm gonna show y'all how to load the gun. She's gonna show you.
I have the bullet, and it's actually hollow. If I didn't tell you that, I think I did though.
And she will show you how to load the bullet.
It's really easy. Just put it in the slot and make sure that it can fit. If it's a really tight fit, then don't put it all the way in. Make sure that you still have your finger on it. And kind of test it because it could get stuck and clog your gun.
Yes. And there's a rubber band, so it will let go and put all the force.
And I didn't cut the rubber band yet, but Crazy Pete did, so let's get started. So here's how you're going to work it, just like Crazy Pete showed you. You're going to pull this part right here, and then you're going to place it onto this colored part that I did blue. And then the trigger will help you with the rest. So,
okay, so now she's going to try aiming for the cup at least, but the cup won't knock down. So next videos we will be trying to make it go down. Make them. Whoa, did you see that? It was like bullet lightning.
That went that was like way off of the cup, but
now I'll be using this smaller version, this smaller version of the gun, and hopefully this smaller version of the bullet, and hopefully it will shoot at least, except it doesn't need to knock down. So, again, she can show you how to load it, but
okay, so this is going to be Claire loading.
I already put it in, and it's still the same way, but it's different. Okay, so I'm just going to take this out like that. Okay, now, as you can see, she's going to put it there, and hopefully it shoots. Oh! It shot! So this small bullet actually went right through it. I think it moved it a little bit, but it's like darts.
That was great. I didn't even get to hit it, but that was good. So, the gun really works, and it's super awesome. And
it is very hard.
I mean, his looked a lot better than mine. Crazy Pete's look a lot better than mine because I made a mistake to color mine and it just turned out kind of weird. But Crazy Pete's is a lot more neater and nicer. So this is the gun, well, one of them actually. He has lots of guns. There are some guns that are really simple and it only takes a few pieces of paper and nothing else but the paper and rubber bands. Doesn't need any of this complicated stuff. But then he has more complex stuff. And this one's just in the middle of complex and easy. But it was really fun to make. It was challenging to kind of cut and bend these into the right shape and everything.
It's because they're so solid and hard. It's
really hard.
And we had a lot of trouble cutting them.
Yeah. Thanks for watching this video of Crazy Pete's awesome gun review, and it's paper, of course. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. Please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. Bye. Dun, dun, dun.